What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down, and when this button gets green then you can lift up your finger from your screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, it will fix the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue. But if you're still facing the issue, then check your internet connection. So to check that, you can connect your Wi-Fi to another device and check if the Wi-Fi internet is working properly or not. So if it's not working, then it's a router issue. So fix your router, and after that the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then turn off power saving mode. So for that, open quick settings panel. Now from here, if you have enabled power saving mode, then turn it off, and after turning off power saving, the Wi-Fi will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.